Huddle in close tonight, the yard hides something wild. A feather drifts across the porch, a cluck rattles under the chair. Bluey perks up with twitching ears, like this video and subscribe the channel. The sound grows sharp outside, wings flap like thunder in storm. Bingo gasps and tumbles backward, Muffin shrieks and jumps on the couch. Dad thunders who opened the gate, Mum races out with quick steps. There it is, a giant chicken, feathers glowing like golden fire. It charges through the grass fast, snapping twigs and shaking the air. Bluey barks louder chasing the bird, Bingo slides across the dirt laughing. Muffin waves a blanket wildly, the cloth twists high like kite. The chicken dodges with crazy squawk, its claws drum against the fence. Dad leaps swinging a big bucket, water splashes bright under the moon. The chicken stumbles but keeps running, Mum shouts block the garden path. Bluey dashes left with quick paws, Bingo dives right squealing with joy. Muffin spins and bumps the tree, apples crash down bouncing everywhere. The bird slips on rolling apples, wings flap frantic with loud cluck. Dad lunges and misses again, Mum stretches arms and grabs tail. The chicken wiggles free and cackles, it bolts straight into the flower bed. Bluey pounces landing in petals, Bingo tumbles after with giggles. Muffin charges screaming superhero time, her blanket whirls above her head. Dad growls stomping across the lawn, Mum pants still holding her breath. Suddenly the bird stops frozen, eyes wide and chest puffing. A single worm crawls from soil, the chicken pecks and munches quick. Silence falls soft over the yard, everyone stares then bursts in laughter. Bluey rolls tail thumping with joy, Bingo claps hands squeaking with delight. Muffin hugs the tired chicken close, Dad sighs shoulders dropping with relief. Mum smiles warm under the stars, and the night ends in magic.